Mortgage Nerd here. Been getting a lot of questions about renovation loans and construction loans. Yeah, we got them. We can do them. Do I do a lot? Not really. My operations manager, Marilyn, she has done a lot. She worked for a direct lender that did a lot, so she taught others how to do it. So there's different ways. They're conventional and FHA. They give up to $35,000 if you're going to do just regular renovations. You're going to fix the bathroom, the kitchen, the tiles, the painting, whatever it is. Now, if it's structural, there's a hole in the roof. If kitchen's completely gutted, the foundation has issues. Those things, that's a different level of renovation loan. It's not the $35,000 one. And then there's some at some point that you just can't do any. I have someone right now, he's going to buy with a hard money private loan, buy the property, fix it up, and then we're going to look at refinancing to a conventional loan. So there's different ways of approaching it, renovation loans, construction loans, getting a lot of questions about those. Give me a call, let me know if you want any more info. To me, I don't know. I like just buying it already done. You don't have to worry about all of that. You don't know what unexpected costs there are. But hey, if you're an architect, if you're a contractor, this might be perfect. Or if you're just handy, or you like doing that stuff. Not like me, I'd rather work. So, Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd. Thanks.